Alright, so in this video, we are going to see how long it takes for me to get rid of some computer cases. So if you take a look around right now, this is my studio right now. I know it's a huge mess. It's always a huge mess, but more recently, it's kind of gotten out of control, and I had to do some reorganizing so that I can clear out the space of this part of my downstairs basement. And in doing that, everything basically got moved over here, and here's the 4 cases I need to get rid of. But yeah, I'm always constantly trying to reorganize. Every time I reorganize and get rid of stuff, more stuff comes in. So yep, that's just the life of a hoarder and I guess a tech content creator. Other content creators could probably relate to this. But yeah, so one of the things that takes up the most space, as you can probably see, there's cases there, just cases everywhere. Cases take up so much space, and they're not necessarily, super valuable. They're horrible when it comes to space. And here's even more cases and case boxes, as well as some more cases there. I'm telling you, there's cases everywhere. And some cases I do want to keep. There are cases that are still very usable. They're modern enough, and I can use them for builds and things like that. But I've got some cases here which I have no use for, and I've deemed them as like the most invaluable to me. But just because they're not valuable to me doesn't mean that they won't be valuable to somebody else. So I just need to get rid of these as fast as I can. And I did try to call e-cycler in my area, and that didn't really work out.
Thank you for calling U.S. Can I help you?
Hi, do you guys recycle computer cases by chance?
Just the cases?
Yeah, just cases, no internals.
No. I would try contacting a metal recycler.
A metal recycler, okay, will do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, then I ended up calling the local metal recycler.
Circle.
Hello, do you guys recycle computer cases? Just computer cases, no electronic components inside?
Computer casing?
The chassis, yeah. Just the exterior box.
Oh, the computer jack?
No, like a computer case. So no internal components.
Casing, yeah. Yeah, we'll take it, yeah.
Okay, and then is there a fee associated with that, or is it...
No.
It's free? Okay.
You just drop off here, yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you. So if I went to a metal scrapper, I'd get the cases off my hands, which is eventually the goal, but these cases would just then, be scrapped. And I feel like that's a little bit of a waste, because these cases, they're still, they're in working condition. Like, they have all the screws and all the side panels to them. I mean, like this is like a USB 3, and it has like lighting controls. This one also has like an RGB strip in the middle, and also USB 3. I do have a couple of older ones. That's an Antec 300. This case, I'm actually not sure what this is. But yeah, these cases, they have fans in them. They're working cases. So I think someone can get some use out of these cases. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to list all 4 of these onto OfferUp, and we're gonna see if anyone is interested in my local area to pick it up, all of them at once. If there's a flipper in my area, or reseller, or someone who repurposes parts and just needs old cases to go with old systems, then hopefully they can take it off my hands. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, and let's see how quickly these move. Hopefully it moves fast, because I do need to get them out of here as soon as possible. But if nobody wants it, then I could just easily take it to Goodwill. Hopefully they take it. Hopefully it's not too bulky. If this was at Goodwill, I think people would buy it for a couple of dollars, PC cases. So yeah, let's take some pictures and get that listing made. Alright, let's get this posted on OfferUp. What are these things' names again? Montec Flyer, Bit Phoenix Aurora, Antec 300, and then I have no idea what that third one is. Is this Antec 300? Let me make sure. I don't want to give the wrong information. Pretty sure it's Antec 300. See, some of these cases, I built in 2 of these, and 2 of the other ones are either I was given or I helped someone upgrade their PC into like a better case or into new components, and then I just have them left over. So yeah, I'm not completely sure. Yep, that is the Antec 300. All right, okay. $0 firm on price. All right, the listing is made. I do not want to promote this. Hopefully I don't need to promote this. It should move quickly. But let's take a look at the ad. Free PC cases, $0. Let's take a look at these photos. Yep, there's the photos. There's me trying to show that some of these are somewhat modern, having at least USB 3.0. I have 4 PC cases to give away. Preference to someone who will take all 4 at once. All cases have their side panels and screws. These are cases only with their stock fans, no other internal components. Use them, sell them, give them away, do whatever you want with them. I don't really care, just need to move them to make space. The cases are the following. So we got the Montec Flyer, which is a micro ATX. I think it's the only micro ATX in there. But we got the Montec Flyer Antec 300, and then I don't know what this case is. I think it's a Thermaltake, as well as the BitPhoenix Aurora. But yeah, thanks for looking. So yeah, hopefully these move. It's 10:30 right now. AM on a Wednesday, so we will see how long it takes to get my first bite. Alright, so it's about an hour, a little bit over an hour since I put the posting up, and I got a message. Able to meet today and have an address to meet at? Why, yes. Yes, I can. Alright, so it looks like we're meeting in a little under an hour. It looks like they need to get their brother to drive them. So this might be a younger person, which would be pretty cool. If this is going to a younger person who's getting to a PC building hobby or flipping or whatever, that'd be awesome. But yeah, they seem pretty excited. They said, let me make sure my bro can make it too, but thank you, this is dope. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this packed up in the car and get ready to meet. Alright, so on here, fits pretty well. Hopefully this closes without hitting. Just a slight hit. Ooh, I need to wash this. So I ended up finding another case. This is the Fantex Enthoo that I got when I bought the AM3 Plus motherboard. So I'll see if he wants this one too. But it is a beautiful day to do a meetup. Between when I got the first message till now, I got 2 more interested parties in taking the case off my hand. But I basically had to tell them that it's pending, and if the person falls through, then I'll let them know. But it looks like it's not gonna fall through because we're meeting in just a few minutes here. All right, I'm gonna back into this spot. Give enough room there. All right. Hey, what's up? My name's Danny, by the way. What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor, and so you're the one who's been messaging me?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Okay, so here's the 4 cases. What are you gonna use them for?
Building PCs, giving them out to the homies. He's definitely getting one soon.
Awesome, okay.
A lot of PC parts and not a lot of cases.
Perfect. I actually have a 5th case. Were you interested in that as well?
Sure.
It's a Fantex Enthoo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take that too.
Feel free to load up the car.
Let's just start loading, boys. Just play a little bit of Tetris.
Yeah.
Put him in the back seat. This one's nice.
Yeah, so a couple of these are pretty modern. There's some older ones, and then these 2 right here are the more modern ones. This one has an RGB strip, and then that one's got like tempered glass. Yeah, so be careful with that one so it doesn't just shatter all over your van. But then here's the last 5th case.
Probably.
You gonna be able to fit everyone riding back?
Yeah,
Nice. I mean, it all fits, so just make sure someone's holding onto it for when you stop and stuff. So what kind of systems are you building?
Mid-range, but I look for deals.
Yeah, I mean, same here. That's what I do as well. It's just cases, they're so big and they take up so much space. I called it was like the Lynnwood like scrap yard, that they take metal. What they would do with these is they're just gonna scrap them and it'd just be wasted. So I figured, why not just list this and someone else, you know, one person's trash and another person's treasure. So
Definitely.
yeah, so hopefully you get good uses out of all those cases, because yeah, I would have hated to see them go to waste, even though some of them are old. But yeah, a couple of them are pretty nice, so yeah. But all right, man, thanks for meeting up and thanks for taking that off my hands, and have fun.
Well, have a good day, man.
Yep, see ya. So yeah, that was a quick and easy transaction. The cases are out of my hands now, so you know, whether or not they actually needed 5 cases to put PC builds together, or if they're gonna use a couple and then sell the rest or whatever, none of my business. They can do whatever they want with it. I thought that the person messaging me over OfferUp was gonna be younger because he needed a ride from his older brother, but I mean, they all look like they were at least college age or older, so I don't really care. Whoever needed the cases and could take them off my hands. I mean, I posted them about 2 hours ago and they're already, you know, off my hands, so I'm happy about that. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Just a quick and easy, you know, OfferUp meetup. People tend to like watching when I document these kinds of things, and this is kind of like just behind the scenes of what goes on. Let me know down in the comments below if you had all those 5 cases that I had there, you know, in used condition, maybe a little dusty, a little dirty. Would you have tried to sell them one by one? I don't think many of them were worth more than like 5, 10, 15, maybe 20 bucks for that big Phoenix one, because it was double tempered glass, but it's still a pretty old design. I don't think it would have been worth the effort. Most of those cases I pretty much got for free, or review units, or from friends upgrading, so I wasn't trying to make money off of them. I just need to get them out of my place ASAP. But yeah, I want to thank you all as always for watching and for continuing to support the channel. Thank you to the channel members, especially for their above and beyond support. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all down in the comments, as well as next stream and or video. Bye.